Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute group notifications on Facebook. If you're tired of constantly receiving notifications from a specific group, follow these simple steps to mute them. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Groups to access a list of all the groups you're a part of. Once you've found the group you want to mute, tap on it to enter the group page. Then, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. A menu will appear. Select Manage Notifications from the options. In the Manage Notifications menu, you'll be able to customize which types of notifications you want to receive from the group. You can choose to mute all notifications, including posts, comments, and reactions. Simply toggle off the notifications you want to mute, and you're all set. By following these easy steps, you can take control of your Facebook notifications and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience. Don't let group notifications overwhelm you. Mute them with just a few taps on your device. Thank you for watching, and happy Facebooking!